What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mojo, aka Sugar Daddy. Welcome back to another episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. So these are my personal favorite AJ1's Bordeaux. They look messed up because it rained and I was riding and I was wearing them. But I got nothing to worry because I got SHOEGR Standard Kit. तो आज हम इसके साथ इनको साफ कर देंगे. Let me tell you what all we have. We have the SHOEGR bowl. You can get this from the website. We have the Shape It. And we have the Standard Kit. Standard Kit comes with a brush, a solution bottle, and a towel as well. Let's get down to the business. I'm going to keep the right side down and work on the left shoe. First of all, we need water. Now, first and most, remove the laces. Now, let's use our Shape It. We're going to choose the perfect size. We're going to count the holes and then we insert it perfectly. We're going to use this brush to rub off all the dirt. Now it's time we use the magic potion. 3 squirts, just like that. I'm going to start from the uppers, then go and slowly make my way to the bottom of the shoe. Let's get it on. I'm going to use the microfiber. Now we're going to go clean the midsoles just with the all-purpose brush. Now it's time to wipe it up. Now it's time to work on the outsoles. Here we go. Now we're gonna be cleaning the laces. Deep clean karne ke liye we'll have to, give it a couple of rounds inside. Use the fiber towel. Slowly gets all dried up. It's absolutely toned 100% magic. That's what SHOEGR is supposed to do.